Hello students, welcome back. Today we are going to do the exercise of lesson 2, which is components of food, and we had discussed about these exercises in earlier video. From there you can see that, and today we will do these exercises once again, and you have to write in your fair copy with neat and clean handwriting. So let's start and see what is our first exercise or question. Okay, so our first exercise is name the major nutrients in our food. Okay, it is our first question and its answer is, you have to write the question with black pen. I am using blue pen with for answer, so you should have use blue pen. Okay, the major nutrients in our body are protein, carbohydrate, fats, vitamin and minerals. Okay, these are your answer. This is your answer. The major nutrients in our in our food hoga. There will be food. Okay, the major nutrients in our food are protein, carbohydrate, fats, vitamins and minerals. Okay, so let's move to next exercise. Name the following: the nutrients which mainly give energy to our body. Which nutrients give energy to our body? I hope you know that answer, and we have discussed about these exercises in earlier videos, so I hope you know all these answers. Okay, so the nutrients which mainly give energy to our body are carbohydrate, and fats. Okay, these two nutrients give energy to our body. Let's see next, the nutrients that are needed for growth and maintenance of our body. So the most important nutrients for growing body is protein, and for growth and repair maintenance of body should be needed protein. Okay, and I'm writing in copy, so you can copy down from there properly with neat and writing and correct spelling. You are doing a lots of mistake in your spelling, so avoid that. Okay, our next question is a vitamin required for maintaining good eyesight. You should have to name the vitamin. Okay, so vitamin A. Vitamin A is required for good eyesight. Next, a mineral that is required for keeping our bones healthy. Here it is asking about mineral, not vitamin. अगर यहाँ पे vitamin पूछता, then you should have to give the answer vitamin D, but here it is asking mineral, so it will be calcium. Okay, I know कि if you are reading this sentence, you will see the vitamin D is keeps our bones healthy. It is true, but here it is asking mineral, so it is calcium. Okay, our next exercise, name two foods each rich in. You have to give the food name which are rich in these nutrients. Okay, and I'm not explaining too much because I have explained these exercises very well in earlier, so I hope you know that all these things. Name two foods each rich in first fats. Fat is found in butter and oil. You can write other things also, but you can take any other name which is rich in food. Here I am writing oil and butter. Okay. Starch. Starch is found in potato and rice. Okay. Next, dietary fiber. Dietary fiber is found in whole grain and fresh fruit. Protein. Protein is found in milk and pulses. You can write other examples also, but it should be correct. Okay. So these are the exercises. So you can write in your copy. Where I have written with a red pen, you will write with a black pen and use a blue pen for answer. Okay. I'm telling you a very basic things to write. I hope you know that we use a black pen for question and blue pen for answer. After that, I'm also telling you. Okay, so don't write with your red pen. Okay, let's see other exercises, which is true. Take the statement that are correct. Okay, means true false. Okay, first, by eating rice alone we can fulfill nutrition requirement of our body. Okay, fulfill nutrition in our body, that is false. Rice is not sufficient. Rice alone is not sufficient to fulfill all the nutritions in our body. Okay, deficiency disease can be prevented by eating a balanced diet. Yes, we can prevent our body by deficiency disease by eating balanced diet, because we know that the balanced diet has all the nutritions that is needed by our body. Okay, so it is true. C. Balanced diet for the body should contain a variety of food items. Okay, yes, a balanced diet should have a variety of item. If there is a no variety of item, then it will not have all the nutritions and it would be not your balanced diet. So it is true. Meat alone is sufficient to provide all nutrition to the body. It is false, because meat alone is not sufficient. Not a single food is sufficient to fulfill all the nutrition in our body. Okay, so here is asking meat alone is sufficient. No, meat alone is not sufficient to provide all the nutrition to the body. So it is false. Okay, that's it. You have to do these 4 exercises in your copy. Okay, and with neat and clean handwriting. And your homework is, I'm writing your homework. Your homework is draw fat rich food in your copy. It is your homework and you have to draw the food which is rich in fat. Okay, it is your homework. And one more thing, um, you have to show your homework day after that day. Okay, not in same day of the homework given. Okay, so it is your homework. I hope you will understand all these things, and I'm sure, because we are discussing it second time, so I know you are knowing all these things. So do your homework and keep learn. Till then, thank you.